Gus, Mega Minion Gus, flying Mega Minion Gus. Goggles, which are circular, tricky to draw. Circles, but we'll do our best. You could use a cup or something circular to draw on a stencil or anything, or you could freehand it, like me, and try your best. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You can do your best. I rarely get them perfect anyway. Circle like that, same on the other side. Okay, not bad, not perfect, but who is these days, or ever? So 2 circles for his goggles, get us started. And then he's kind of frowning right inside. So we go there, and there. And it's like yellow skin. And then brown eyes. Half circle coming up. And then black circle here for his pupil. Do the same on this side. Right. Okay. So goggles then again, right? So we go, they're kind of connected to one another, so they're kind of like, there's like an M sort of shape here, and then that goes around the bottom, and they're connected on the bottom as well. So like in there somewhere, and then this goes around. I think that should be higher up. Not sure. Yeah, it's not wide enough. Made a mistake. Should be higher up. Okay, we go like here, and I'm gonna just erase this. So now we want to make these goggles look a little bit 3D, right? So we're gonna like add some edge lines to them. So basically what that means is, say like here, because we're looking like down, we'll go around this and add another little line just underneath this part. And then another little one down here. And then at the back, right, and then on the other side, down to there. Okay, so looking a bit more 3-dimensional now. Right, so then he seems to have these little silver clips that hold him onto the strap here on the side. And then this goes around his head, a black strap here. And then we got that big pointy head, right? Goes right up to the top of my head, at my page up here. What about there? And we want to make it kind of even on both sides. Curve it over. I'm going to try and do the same thing down to here. So we'll go like that. Maybe a line just on these. And then, so his head just comes down here, and he is wearing a mask, right? This is what I didn't realize watching the movie, that this is actually a mask. This comes around here. Hilarious films. Despicable Me. We're big fans in our house. Right, and then he's got like a little strap like around his chin here. And it seems to go around his mouth as well. Right, and then he's like just like downturned little mouth there. And then there's like a button like strapped on here. Then we have his body and his cape, and his dungarees, right? So we got like the blue sort of dungarees straps coming across here. And then across the front. And then his body. Comes down here and around the bottom. So you got like blue dungarees and stuff on here as well. So he kind of looks like a bullet. And then this curves around this way. And these are like pockets, I think, here. And he's got a little pocket here at the front. And then the M done in yellow. There's like some stitching coming up the middle, and then there's like all stitching on the edges of these because it is denim. And his little boots. So the tops of them kind of come in like that first, and then they kind of bump around. Just kind of bumpy things like this. So his arms, so he's got like a Superman pose, right? So we go this way first. And he's got a black glove. Starting like that. And then 3 little sort of cartoon fingers. Just like that, pretty simple. And his other arm is down. Comes out for his elbow. Very thin, tube-like arms. Again, goes into his black glove. And then little fist, cartoony kind of fist. And 3, yeah, so he's got a thumb here. Like that. And his cape, blue cape. On this side. And then it just comes down here. Hanging down. Like so. And then you gotta show some cape just in behind here as well, kind of wavy. In behind his boots. And then maybe some texture lines on the fabric. And that's it, I think. Yeah. Mega Minion Gus from Despicable Me. Good movie. Hope it's helpful. Sorry about the goggle mess up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.